In this video, I'll be going over how you can be part of the Solo airdrop by holding XRP or Solo in your XUMM wallet. Over the last few months, in the crypto space, we have been hearing a lot more about airdrops. The SOLOGENIC project team are also planning on having one. But if you're new to the crypto space, you probably want to know exactly what an airdrop is. If you haven't already done so, do please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you can get similar content as soon as I upload them to help you on your trading journey. I would also appreciate a like. Essentially, airdrops are promotional tools used by cryptocurrency developers to promote a project, wherein free tokens are provided to crypto users or investors of a particular network. In this case, SOLOGENICS. If you're completely new to airdrops, then you might be asking, what's the catch? Investors simply need to buy and hold XRP or Solo to earn these free tokens. SOLOGENIC is one of many projects seeking to act as a bridge between the crypto world and traditional financial assets. It works by allowing users to tokenize their assets, such as stocks and ETFs, by converting or tokenizing them into Solo tokens, which are hosted on the Weibull ledger. Solo is available to buy on the following centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. But in this video, I will be buying Solo using my XUMM wallet downloaded onto my Android phone. XUMM is a non-custodial wallet allowing you access to the XRP Ledger. You and you alone have sole control over your private keys. It allows you to interact with the XRP Ledger while keeping your keys safe. XUMM supports signing all XRP Ledger transactions like payments and escrows. XUMM makes sending, receiving, and interacting with the XRP Ledger easy and secure, and users can easily interact with third-party applications using sign requests. Signing a request simply verifies the identity of the sender and ensures the data has not been altered in transit. The very first step is to download a XUMM wallet onto your phone. It's always a good idea to do this from your desktop, just to be sure that you're logging into the right website and not laying yourself open to phishing scams. Now, you will find that there are quite a few terms and conditions and the like to read. It's in your interest to make sure that you read it all because you are entering into a contract with the XUMM wallet. Okay, so at this point, all you have is an empty wallet created, and now you want to actually create an account. You do this by clicking the Add Account button. And then you'll be given a bunch of numbers which you have to enter in and confirm. These numbers need to be put in a safe place on paper and kept safe, because once you lose these numbers, then you lose all your money and not even XUMM support can help you recover it. If you need more insight onto how your funds are distributed, then just click on Explain. And your account has been successfully created. Now it's time to activate your account. And this you do by sending XRP from another exchange or wallet. The minimum that is necessary to do this is 20 XRP. The total amount of XRP sent is $20 less the transaction fees. So that comes to $19 and change. And 10 XRP is held in reserve, leaving an available spending balance of 9.99 XRP. To add other tokens, you just click on the Add button, which shows the list of issuers available to you on the XUMM wallet. So when we click on SOLOGENICS, it shows its token, Solo, and clicking on Solo immediately creates a trust line between your wallet and SOLOGENICS. A trust line basically gives you permission to hold a token by a specific issuer in your existing XRP Ledger account, which in this case is SOLOGENICS. So at this point, all you need to do is to slide to accept, check over the warning message, click continue, and then slide to accept the transaction. And now you've set up your SOLOGENICS trust line. Again, clicking on the explain button, another 2 XRP has been held in reserve on account of you creating that trust line, taking the spending balance down to 7.99 XRP. Now you're all set up to receive your airdrop. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I'll meet you in the next video.